Did you know that more than 70% of people with small kitchens feel constantly frustrated because of clutter, poor lighting, and lack of storage? What if I told you that you could make your tiny kitchen instantly feel twice as big, without tearing down a single wall and without spending thousands of dollars? Today, I'll reveal 10 powerful makeover ideas that professional interior designers use all the time to turn cramped kitchens into spacious, functional, and beautiful spaces. And trust me, the final tip is something so overlooked that when you see it, you'll realize you could transform your kitchen this weekend. So stick with me until the end, because your dream kitchen is just 10 steps away. Picture this. It's a busy weeknight. You're rushing to prepare dinner. The cutting board barely fits on the counter. The blender is shoved next to the microwave, and when you open a cabinet, a stack of pans nearly crashes on your head. Small kitchens can make you feel stressed and trapped, but here's the truth. Your kitchen doesn't need to feel that way. With the right makeover strategies, you can flip the script, turning what feels like a daily headache into a space you actually love spending time in. Imagine cooking in a kitchen that feels open, organized, and stylish, even if the square footage hasn't changed one bit. That's exactly what we're diving into today. When it comes to small kitchen decor ideas, color is the foundation. Dark cabinetry, dark tiles, or deep paint shades absorb light and instantly make the room feel closed in. But the moment you introduce lighter tones, like creamy whites, soft grays, warm beiges, or even pastel blues, you reflect light around the space. This optical illusion tricks the eye into believing the room is more spacious. That's why interior designers always say, light equals space. Bonus tip. If you're afraid an all-white kitchen feels cold, introduce texture. Think of white cabinets with brass handles, a subway tile backsplash, or wood accents for warmth. It's not about flat color, it's about layers that feel bright but inviting. This is a trick borrowed straight from luxury apartments in New York and London. A mirrored backsplash or glossy cabinet finish reflects both natural and artificial light. It multiplies the brightness and adds depth, making your kitchen feel like it stretches further than it actually does. Think about hotels. They use reflective surfaces everywhere to maximize space perception. And if a mirror backsplash feels too bold, try high-gloss cabinet doors or even stainless steel appliances that bounce light in all directions. Most people focus only on floor and counter space, but the secret lies above eye level. Vertical storage is everything. Install tall cabinets that stretch to the ceiling, or use floating shelves for display. Even a simple magnetic strip on the wall for knives or spice racks can free up entire drawers. By drawing the eye upward, you create the perception of height, which makes the entire kitchen feel taller and more open. Think of it as borrowing space from your walls. Removing some upper cabinet doors, or replacing them with open shelves, can completely change the vibe of a small kitchen. It gives breathing room, reduces visual weight, and lets you show off your personality. But here's the catch, keep it curated. Stack plates neatly, use matching glass jars, add a small plant or two. The goal is to look intentional, not messy. Done right, open shelving can make your small kitchen feel both airy and stylish. Lighting is one of the most underestimated design elements. Shadows are the enemy of small spaces, they shrink a room instantly. Under cabinet lighting changes that. A simple LED strip under your cabinets brightens counters, removes shadows, and creates depth. It's like giving your kitchen a spotlight. And here's the best part. It's affordable, easy to install, and energy efficient. Furniture can make or break a tiny kitchen. Instead of bulky tables or wide islands, go slim. A narrow rolling island or compact bar table adds function without suffocating the room. Even bar stools tucked neatly under a counter can save precious walking space. Small kitchen design ideas aren't about sacrificing function, they're about choosing the right proportions. Another pro tip. Reduce visual weight. Replace solid cabinet doors with glass ones. Swap heavy chairs for acrylic or transparent stools. These pieces virtually disappear into the room, making everything feel more open. It's like tricking your brain into thinking there's less furniture, even though the functionality is still there. You don't always need to add more to make a space better. Sometimes, subtraction is the answer. A clutter-free counter instantly expands visual space. Hide small appliances in cabinets, keep decor intentional, and embrace minimalism. Remember, the kitchen should serve you, not stress you. If every surface feels clean, your entire kitchen feels bigger. Here's a design hack most people overlook. Your floor can change the entire sense of space. Diagonal tiles or long planks guide the eye outward, making the kitchen feel wider and longer. Patterns that draw the eye in one direction create flow, while small square tiles can make the room feel boxed in. Flooring isn't just functional, it's psychological. This is the easiest upgrade with the biggest impact. Cabinet handles and knobs might seem small, but they're like jewelry for your kitchen. Swap old, bulky handles for sleek metallics, chrome, brushed brass, or matte black. These not only modernize your kitchen instantly but also reflect light subtly, adding shine and sophistication. It's a makeover you can do in under an hour. Here's the big truth. It's not about the square footage, it's about perception. Every one of these small kitchen makeover ideas, from color to lighting to decluttering, is about tricking the eye and maximizing flow. Together, they can literally double how big your kitchen feels without adding a single inch of space. So, which of these 10 ideas do you think will make the biggest difference in your kitchen? Will you start with light colors, decluttering, or maybe that secret hardware swap? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're planning. And if you enjoy these small kitchen design ideas, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who's struggling with their small space. Because remember, a bigger, brighter kitchen isn't about knocking down walls. It's about smarter design.